Hi, are you looking for a property and too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud and this is a PropTech service. What exactly is a PropTech service? Well, this is the place where we help you do virtual site tours. Now, what are virtual site tours? I will take you to different projects and I will tell you everything about the project, starting right from the land parcel, talking to you about the towers, the carpet areas, and tell you all the details that I can that will help you buy your house. Now, what else can help you buy the house is also do the site visits of them on one single day after shortlisting the projects. What all do we do at Property Cloud over here is a lot. Now, let me tell you a couple of things, like we connected directly with the developer, thereby giving you not only the bottom price guarantee but also zero brokerage because there are no middlemen. Along with that, we also give you spot payment options and also multiple booking offers right over here. Now, we don't have just properties that we're showcasing in Bengaluru, but we are present all across the globe, not just India, multiple cities in India, of course, and multiple locations outside also, like UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA, and many more. And now I need to tell you a couple of more things about Property Cloud. Oh, but before that, why don't I tell you a little more about the project where I am right now? Let's go.
And here I am today at Prestige Somerville, which is located in the heart of Nama Bengaluru, which is Whitefield. And I'm going to show you a lot about this project. Ogana Bunny. So this is Prestige Somerville. Happiness begins at home is what they believe in, and this place is located already in the home, in the heart of Nama Bengaluru, which is in Whitefield. Now there's so much more that I need to tell you about this project. Let's go ahead and see how it goes. And here you can see the amenities, the basketball court, the tennis court, and also the open play areas. Oh, and here is the beautiful swimming pool, and there we can already see the clubhouse as well. And these are all the open areas that is going to show how green the surrounding is going to be. Now, the whole land parcel that you saw is of approximately 6.58 acres, and there are going to be total 306 units of the variants that I already told you. There are going to be only 2 towers with G plus 17 floors of these premium residences. And now if you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process, well, it's very simple. All you need to do is stay tuned with me so that I can tell you what next.
Now that you've seen the project and you know everything about the project and you also know everything about Property Cloud, that we connect you directly with the developer. We are a zero brokerage PropTech service, and also we help you do physical site visits without any hassle by offering you free pickup and drop service. Well, what is the next thing that you need to know? Of course, you need to know how to get in touch with us. Well, it's very simple. In the captions, we've mentioned a link. You need to just simply click on the link so that we can get in touch with you and help you buy your dream home in your favorite city all across the globe. अच्छा, along with that, मैं नहीं चाहती कि हमारे जो broker भाई हैं वो भी नाराज हों. So आपके लिए we have a special scheme which is called as Alliance. So if you are present in any city across India, pan India, and you want to sell homes, you can get in touch too with the same link. Just contact us and we're going to help you sell the homes, and also we have many other schemes for you as well. So PropTech is not just for clients, it's for everybody, and that's what Property Cloud does. We help you buy your dream home. Stay tuned with us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.